Phoenixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with another DIY Barbie doll house item, which is DIY miniature water purifier, and I was getting loads of requests to make this, so today I'm finally here with this. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so first I'll start with taking a cardboard and then I'll just cut this shape out. So main is the shape, so you have to be careful about that. Alright, so once you're done with that, you have to cut it out and you'll get something like this. One is little bit big and one is smaller. Then I'll take a card paper and I'll cut this circle and then cut this part off to just make this cone shape. So once I'm done with that, I'll stick it using some hot glue gun and then I'll cut this part off just to make the hole. Alright, so once this is done, I'll just stick it properly, make another cylindrical shape and then stick it over here. So this will be the inner part for the purifier and I'll just close it using another circle. Once I'm done with that, I'll take some cardboard stripes and I'll just roll it over here. And then I'll stick this part on the bottom and then apply this straw over here. So this is the inner part and then I'll just stick it over here on the bigger one. Then I'll start painting the inner part. So I'm just going for this beautiful blue color and I'll be painting the inner part with that color. Once I'm done with that, I'll take this thick translucent sheet. Remember guys, you have to take the thick one just to give that, glass and fiber effect. Then you have to take the thick one and you have to fold it according to this shape. Alright, so after I'm done with that, I'll get this part done and then I'll stick this part on top of it just to close it. Yep, this way. Then I'll take another piece of card paper and I'll just fold it according to this shape again. And then I'll just make some little cuts on the bottom and then fold them over here like this. After folding them outwards, I'll take another piece of card paper and I'll cut some stripes over here and then I'll start sticking them all the way through. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'll just cut off the axis just to make it look smooth. Then I'll take another piece of card paper just to make the top half and I'll just again give the shape and then stick it using hot glue gun. So once I'm done with that, I'll use another piece of card paper, fold it like this and then use some scissors to make some cuts over here. And then I'll just fold it over here. You have to fold it carefully and that's it. So after you're done with that, I'll use my glue and I'll stick it over here. So it will give you a 3D look and then over here as well. So once I'm done with that, you can see I'm just making the cap and for that I'm using the same card paper. And you can see it has a hole just for the cap, so I'll just make the cap afterwards. Then I'll apply this card paper circle and card paper stripes on the corners. Then over here I'll just stick this circle so that the cap can easily fit inside. So once it's little small in size and it can fit easily inside the purifier, I'll stick it to the cap circle and then this is the handle. Alright, so now you can see the cap can easily go and fit inside, and it looks nice and perfect now. Now I'll use this again paper coiling, and I'll fold it from the middle. So after doing that, I'll stick this part over here. And then you can see this is another piece of card paper, and I'll just stick this also over here on the top. And now you can see the base is now completed, and it looks something like this. Now I'll start painting it with the same blue color I painted the inside part. And as you know, I'm using acrylic paint. You can also use fabric paints instead, and you have to paint this top part completely. After doing that, I'll paint all these white cut paper parts with white acrylic paint again, just to make it look more beautiful and attractive. So after I'm done with that, over here I have some cutouts, basically some indicators and all, and that I'll be sticking it over here on this white part. So once I'm done with all those symbols, indicators, I'll also apply this logo of Funix Creation, which shows that this purifier is finally made with Funix Creation. So this is how it looks, guys. Now it's completed, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.